Are you guys ready to have some fun? It's gonna look like my head blows up like a balloon. Science is asking questions, making guesses, doing experiments, and observing the results. So eventually we have some kind of answer. We're gonna shoot the book into your face. Open your mouth. Shoot it. Right. Open your mouth. Science is better than magic. See, when you're watching a magic show, your brain goes like this. Bend down, you twist, you grab one end in each hand, and then you stand back up again. When you're watching a science show, your brain goes like this. In preschool, you learn that you have how many senses? If you ever forget what they are, you were taught you could touch them, right? You can look, and you can listen, and you can smell, and you can taste, and you can feel. Did I get that right? I transfer the knot from my body into the road. Give him a clap, everybody. Get out of here. Back to your seat. Get out of here. Look out! You came here to watch something dangerous and deadly. Pulling goes that way and pushing goes that way. There was a scientist a long time ago said every time there's a force one way, there's an equal and opposite force the other way. We'll talk about that later. I'm gonna do it over your head. Go big, go, keep it going, don't stop, a little smoother, he's doing